Good morning, Chabibi! So it's our third full day here in Dubai.
There's no Tesla in the Philippines.
Yes, our taxi is a Tesla. Say hi, Captain.
Hi.
And we don't know how to open the door. It's so high tech.
Pag-slide.
Our Tesla taxi.
Good morning, Chabibi! So it's our third full day here in Dubai. So today, we're here at Gold Souk and later we'll do speedboat tour.
Yeah, but along with the Gold Souk, baka check din namin yung Textile Souk and then Spice Souk and also go around Old Dubai before we do the speedboat tour this afternoon.
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Dito sa mga souk. Let's go!
Go! Yo,
Sobrang dami ditong kabayan.
kabayan.
Habang naglalakad ka dito, lahat sila, kabayan, dito ka kabayan. And may mga gold shops dito na Pinoy yung may-ari.
Or Pinoy yung employees.
Or Pinoy yung employee. So, dito sa Gold Souk, matatagpuan ang Guinness World Record ng biggest ring. Ayan, ang hirap lang lumapit at ang daming nagpipicture pero andun siya. It's a Guinness World Record holder. So there, and it's the Guinness World Record Certificate for the heaviest gold ring. This is Old Badia Street. It's a, dito nyo makikita yung madaming souk. May nakita kaming herb souk, gold souk, utensil souk. So coming from Gold Souk, it's there. Tumawid kami to this ferry port thing. And gusto namin puntahan yung Old Dubai na may magandang Starbucks. So it's actually right there. If you want to go there, they have more souks there. Perfume souk, spice souk daw. But since we want to go there sa may old Starbucks, we bought tickets from here. So, you have to buy tickets here. 2 dirhams lang siya per person. And then, sinabihan kami which gate. So, this is the gate. So, ito 2, 3. So, nandun banda yung sasakyanan namin. We're gonna go there. Para dun kami sasakay to go to the Old Dubai Starbucks. Kamo muna. So may vendo sila dito, 1 dirham each yung water. Puro water lang meron. Ay. So So, eto, dito kami sasakay to get to Old Dubai. Hello, sir. We're now in the water taxi going to Old Dubai part. Let's go. So ayan, tumawid lang kami. Mas matagal pa kami nag-antay kaysa sumakay. Thank you, sir.
Andito tayo ngayon sa Old Dubai kung nasaan yung isa sa pinakamagandang Starbucks sa buong mundo.
Yep, so ikot kami dito, hanap kami ng kakainan din, baka dito na rin kami mag-lunch.
Yes. And galing kami doon, sumakay kami ng boat. Mas matagal pa yung inantay namin. Parang yung boat wala pang 2 minutes. Ganun lang siya kabilis. So nag-cross lang siya. And it cost us 2 dirhams each.
Pero ang saya kasi experience din siya coming from kabilang side nung, I don't know if it's a canal or river, baka parang Pasig River nila. Yun, ang ganda dito.
Ganda.
Tsaka medyo mas malamig ng konti kasi dun sa kabila. Ang dami kasing tao dun, dito hindi masyado.
Tsaka halo-halo kasi yung naaamoy mo gawa ng mga spices.
Oo.
So, and then ang daming tourists talaga. As in group by group sila na bumababa sa mga buses.
Oo, tours talaga, may
Tours
mga
talaga.
nakapila.
Oo.
So, let's go.
Let's go. Tara na!
Very good goodbye. Gusto mo ng camel. Ang cute nila dito. Ang cute nila dito. Nagtatagalog sila.
Ang dami kasing kabayo.
Oo, ang dami kasing kabayan. Salamat. So marami dito ang mga souvenirs.
Marami dito mga kabayo.
Ayan sila kabayan. And mga 10 dirhams, 5 dirhams. No shopping. Kuripot. Mura lang.
10 dirham kapan, 10. 5 dirham bag. Shoes and shoes. Mura price my friend. Duty free. Mura. 5.
There, 5 dirham.
Dirham, I have more. This is catch.
So may thrift shop din. So we're entering the part with restaurants and cafes. And this is the most beautiful Starbucks in the world. Well, baka Kyoto, pero okay lang din. We're gonna have lunch here at Nablus. And they have Turkish ice cream.
Tapos nagdami
lunch here at Nablus.
Ayan, Turkish talaga yung tapos. Ano talaga?
May bell pa sila eh. Malungkot version.
So they have here fatayer. Anong klaseng food ang fatayer? Ha? Palestinian. So these are Palestinian food or cuisine. Nag-order ako ng meat and cheese for 35 AED. Si Tony ordered the breakfast set ng Nablus medley for 37 AED. Tapos Coke Zero sa bote. And strawberry mojito. Wow, big breakfast. Ay, sorry. Sapatos. Ano may order ko? meat and cheese. So that's my order, meat and cheese. Wow! Ang tawag dito?
Kunafa po.
Kunafa. So this is kunafa cheese. Galing sa ating mga super babait na kabayan dito. So, and they gave us, ano to? Sugar syrup. Parang baklava.
Oo.
Try natin. Anong name mo?
Mary.
Mary. So, say hi, Mary. Ayan. So, si Mary, tsaka si
Tsaka po si Paul.
Marvin, tsaka si Paul. Hello, Paul. Ayan. Ang ating mga super bait na kabayan dito. Okay, try natin. Ay, oo. May cheese pool. Oh. Ayaw pa maputo. Ayoko tumayo.
Hindi ko ang kisame talaga.
Oh, 'di ba? So try natin. Best seller daw nila to dito. Sarap. Hindi ko siya ma-describe, pero ang sarap niya. Hindi ko alam. Kaya hindi po kami food vlogger.
Parang mo yung ano.
Travel vlogger lang. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. So yung kinain namin dalawa ni Tony dito, yung set meal niya, yung akin, tsaka yung mga drinks namin, we paid 109 AED. Super yummy yan. At saka surprisingly nakakabusog. Kahit parang mga bread lang siya na maliliit na ano, nakakabusog siya talaga. So good. Try nyo when you're here. So pag pumunta kayo dito sa Al-Sif, nandito din yung magandang Starbucks. Dito sa Al-Sif, kain kayo dito sa Nablus. Super good, tsaka super bait nila dito. Nakakatuwa talaga. Nakaka-proud maging Pinoy. Bye-bye po! Thank you! Guys, ang sarap dito. Lahat sila tawag sa amin.
Ganda.
Magandang dilag. Or ganda. Parang sorry lang.
Isa lang yung tawag sa amin ng kuripot. Kuripot, no
Sabi,
shopping.
sabi Marites, ano? Ay, hindi, sabi, binibini, kuripot, no shopping.
Ayun lang, akala mo.
Kuripot daw kami.
Charot. Hello.
Hello! Ayan, sobrang dami pang pwedeng bilhin dito, pero ang init na. Kaya din siguro hindi ganun kadami yung tao. Kasi mainit. Lalakad-lakad lang kami. Kasi nag-aantay ng time because our next activity is the speedboat tour, which will happen later at 4 p.m. but we have to be there by 3:30. So naghahanap lang kami ng tatambayan. So meron din here in Dubai the hop on hop off bus tour. We are on the way to the marina and our amazing taxi captain here is giving us more tips on where to go. Thank you. So for our speedboat tour, we booked it via Klook and Exclusive Yachts. So first you come here to their check-in. And then our beautiful kabayans here will check you in.
Sign in.
So ayan, you have to put your name and then QR code. So we booked this via Klook. It's called the Marina Atlantis Palm Burj Al Arab Speedboat Tour. If you want to book this via Klook, you can use our promo code CHOBEXPLORERS to get a discount on your booking. Waiting kami for the speedboat. Aircon naman dito.
Good aircon. Sobrang init sa labas ngayon.
We'll show you. Ayan. So, madaming pwedeng upuan. Dito. Sabi nila dumating daw ng 30 minutes before the tour. Our tour is at 4 p.m. Pero sana nga nilatean pa namin ng mga 5 para or 6.
Yung tour.
Oo, yung tour para mas ano. Pero nakabook na yan eh. Nakabook na kami, so yun. And we're here na just waiting for boarding ng speedboat. Here's our boarding pass. 4. Harap ka dito.
Anybody want to go to the washroom?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are now at the speedboat.
I'm scared.
In the unlikely event of you falling in the water, the life jacket will automatically inflate.
Wow.
If the boat is moving slowly, and whenever it comes to a stop, please feel free to stay. Captain, let's get underway. And as we say here in Dubai, Yalla!
Yala!
Ganda ng tugtog.
He gave free water.
Tallest Ferris wheel, called the Eye of Dubai.
Wow.
Stretching 230 meters in height, it's taller than most skyscrapers.
That's the
Only
world's
a few
tallest
meters shorter
Ferris
than the Eiffel Tower, and is near twice the size of a similar product you may have heard of, the Eye of London.
9, 8,
Oh my God!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
is a testament to architectural grandeur and unparalleled luxury.
And transported by sea.
Can you
It
take our
stretches
photo?
100 meters out into the Gulf and adds to the already luxurious hotel with 2 swimming pools and its very good tenants. Tiger Woods
So they
and
also
Lord
take your
Fauntleroy
photos
and golf
here.
balls on the top.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Very colorful atrium, standing 180 meters
Oh, sorry.
high, complete with beautiful.
Yan, o, babalik na. I think we're done with the trip. So kung may motion sickness saka speed, ano kayo, afraid of the speed,
Don't take this tour.
don't take this tour. Kasi most of the time, mabilis yung takbo niya.
Kasi tawag sa kanya speed
Boat.
tour.
Akala ko kasi hindi ganito. So napagawa, pero masarap siya.
Masaya siya.
Hindi naman ako nahilo. Mas nakakahilo pa kayo nakatigil kasi ang alon. Saya dyan, no? The best.
Alak na lang talaga.
Alak na
Alak na lang kulang.
Nakakaloka yun na naman! Ay, baka tayo mabangga doon! Mabangga! Oh my God!
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Sila puro lalaki.
Ay, yan na naman!
OMG.
That's the end of our speedboat tour.
Sobrang
OMG lang
saya.
masasabi namin. Sobrang saya.
Kasi, I can't explain, pero super saya niya. Kala mo, feeling mo wala lang kasi nasa boat ka lang, tapos konting hinto-hinto lang dun sa mga ano, but it was really fun. They made it fun. It's still a one-of-a-kind experience. So, kung pumunta kayo ng Dubai, try this. Or you can do the yacht tour too, but I suggest do the speedboat tour also
Yes.
because it's really fun. And we got
10 out of
this-
10.
Yes, 10 out of 10. Chop recommends. We got this from Klook. We'll put the link down below. And if ever you're gonna book your tour via Klook, you can use our promo code
Chub Explorers!
to get a discount on your booking. How was your speedboat experience?
It was superb and amazing. 10 out of 10.
Chub recommends.
Chub recommends.
So much, sir.
So much. Ma'am, next one. Let's go, let's go.
So, dapat babalik na kami sa hotel, pero dahil peak hour, dahil rush hour, mamahal yung taxi namin masyado. So, nag-decide kami pumunta sa food court ng Marina Mall. Yan. Kain na lang muna kami here. Hardee's for dinner today. Got the superstar burger with curly fries and milkshake. I paid 43 dirhams for the meal. Tony is having the first star burger combo with chicken fingers, curly fries. And she paid 40 dirham.
With 1 dirham ranch sauce.
1 dirham ranch sauce kasi wala silang panukuli.
Black Pepsi.
Yan. Kain lang. Ayun na nga, guys. We'll end this vlog here. And just to let you know, we had so much fun today. So to recap, nagpunta kami sa souk. Ang dami naming nakita. We went to Old Dubai. So super okay niya if you just really want to indulge in the culture of Dubai. Ang ganda-ganda mag-ikot doon. We saw yung sobrang gandang Starbucks. And yun.
And in the afternoon, we did the speedboat tour. And sobrang saya niya. As in, nung una natakot pa ako kasi they asked kung sino yung takot sa speed. So ako, sabi, me! Ganon. Pero nag-start na siyang mag 70 knots, I don't know, 70 knots, 70 kilometers per hour. Ang sarap na niya, as in. Tapos nag-sideways pa yung boat. Ayun. So, speedboat tour is one of my favorite activity here in Dubai.
Sobrang saya niya.
Yes. Pumapangalawa na yung Dubai sa favorite countries ko. After Japan.
Yeah, so ano na siya, second place.
Second place.
Ayun, to share din pala today, nahirapan talaga kaming kumuha ng taxi kasi yung mga, ang dami pa sa trains na hindi operational. Tapos mahirap, yung konti lang yung buses na that goes around here. So, yung mga taxis talaga yung sobrang busy and we decided na taxi, today pa kami nag-decide na taxi yung gagamitin namin kasi medyo mahal din yung Karim. So yun, so ang tagal talaga namin and then nung pa-uwi from Marina Mall, per 2 hours going to our hotel. So nagpalipas muna kami ng oras sa food court nila hanggang sa bumaba ng konti yung presyo ng taxi plus umikli na yung travel time namin papunta sa hotel. All goods. We still had so much fun with today's activities and yun na nga, second place na si Dubai sa aming favorite countries. So, we hope that you enjoyed watching this video because we really had fun making it.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam! Tadana!